Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today is, I'm going to call it Taping Sunday. I'm taping a couple of videos and I'm taping in my comfy casual sweater, which you probably just heard me talk about yesterday. And it's cold and it's raining out there and I'm spending it with you guys doing some unboxing, so this is a great day to do it. What we are unboxing now is my Birchbox. I haven't gotten in here and gotten it out yet. I have seen other people's. And I love that it is October and they've given us a really cute box with kind of a Halloween-y theme with the orange and the black. So, Birchbox. Birchbox, Birchbox, Birchbox. Birchbox is now a $15 per month subscription. I'll put my link below in case you have any interest in signing up. They used to just send you 5 random things and that was life. Now there are options. Now you can choose one of 4 curated boxes. You go in, you can see all of the products that you're going to get, and Birchbox generally does just samples. And you can pick one of those boxes, or they give the option of, they show you 3 or 4 different things and they say, we'll surprise you with the rest of your box, but for one of your products, would you like one of these products? Or they now have it where you can turn your whole box in for the month and they send you, and they generally pick, you don't pick, one full-size product. Last month it was lips. I didn't see this month's. Or you can do what I did this month. I have, for the last few months, picked curated boxes. The downside is they don't show you the size of the product you're going to get. So while I was picking products that I kind of liked, the sample sizes were ridiculous. So what I did this month is I said, surprise me. I know nothing about what is in this box. I didn't pick a product. I didn't pick a box. I didn't pick anything. This is what happens when they are left to their own devices to build me a box. So I'm clearly not picking good boxes. So let's see what happens when they pick me a box. So again, it's $15 a month. So it's the equivalent to, say, an Allure price-wise, but they haven't been keeping up with them. If you sign up for longer extended periods of time, you can get a better deal. So when we open it, we have right on top our piece of paper that something about trick or treat on that side, and then this side will tell us everything that we have in here. And then when we open it, it seems pretty full, I'll give it that. I have a couple pieces of paper. Nope, that's a perfume. This is the fullest one, so it gets credit for that. This is the fullest one I've had in quite some time. Okay, let's see what the paperwork says. Trick or treat. The treatment step is the most personal part of your skincare because there are endless combinations to target your skin's needs. It's the creating your own personal magic potion. The chart below breaks them down to different formulas, how to layer them, and why you might choose them. So that's kind of interesting. You know what's interesting is it tells you the difference between like a toner and an essence. I always wondered that. A toner is a water-like liquid that penetrates quickly and works to sweep away dead skin cells, dirt, and oil. An essence is a fluid, slightly more viscous than a toner, that deeply nourishes and moisturizes. No more questions. Okay, let's dig in and see what I've got. Right on top, I have a Lake and Skye 1111 fragrance oil. Well, that's interesting. 1111 is a sheer, clean, and uplifting fragrance with an ethereal vibe. The blend of the white ambers captures the feel of the skin kissed with the sea, mixed with a crisp texture and transparency. Interesting. So it's just a bottle of oil. So the paperwork says that Lake and Skye 1111 fragrance oil, a full size, is $48. The unisex oil blend of white ambers is inspired by Kundalini yoga practices and the crispness of the color white. Dab on your pulse points. A little goes a long way. Okay, let's dab it on our pulse points. Oh, wow. Smells really nice. It is just a clean scent. That is almost perfection to me. Wow, we will see how this wears. If it smells like this, I will be buying it, and I will be buying it big. This is, wow. It is clean, it is crisp. I could see how it could be unisex. Wow, that smells fantastic. Okay, check Birchbox. You got me with that one. Next, I have what seems to be a 3-pack. a big one, and 2 foil packs. And it is the Davines, which I don't think, although it looks very obviously spelled Davines, I do not think that's how you say it because I think it's Italian, so it's like Davines. Let me know below phonetically if you know for sure about this. I'm sorry I am messing it up. And it is the Minu shampoo. Illuminating protective shampoo for colored hair, yay, with caper blossom extract. Interesting. And then we also have, so this is the shampoo and it's 2.5 ounces. So that's a good size. This is the conditioner and it is 0.4 ounces. And then this is the serum. They're all in that Minu brand. And the serum is 0.2 ounces. So it's getting smaller. Let's see what the paperwork says. So they have treated these like 2 separate products. The shampoo and conditioner is one product and the serum is another. But in all fairness, with that, we got 7 products. So the shampoo says that it is infused with protective caper blossoms, eco-friendly, and it duo cleanses and hydrates without stripping color. Hair is left soft and shiny, and the citrus scent can't be beat. So it says that about the shampoo and conditioner and says that full size is either $29 or $33. And then the serum, it says that the full size is $26, and it is a lightweight leave-in hair treatment that helps color from fading while boosting shine. And its fresh citrusy scent smells delightful. Fresh citrusy. Wow, that almost went amok. It smells very nice. I have to tell you, citrus isn't what hits me about it. It's kind of floral to me, but we'll go with citrus. But I keep being drawn back to this. Wow, guys, it is awesome. Okay, next I have Air Repair eye cream. I'm always happy to get eye cream. I have only ever heard of this Air Repair through my Birchbox. And in the year or so that I have belonged to Birchbox, I have gotten several Air Repair products. But I am absolutely happy to always try a new eye cream. I am using right now the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Under Eye. And my face, I just put a little bit under and then take it around my orbital bone. It sucks it up. It loves it. I've only been using it for 3 or 4 days, so I don't know if there's any long-term advantage, but it doesn't irritate my eyes. My skin seems to absorb it so readily. So it might be something I have to try full size. Sounds like $110. Like, Super Hydrating Eye Cream, full size is $24.50. This potent cream hydrates delicate under eye skin, reduces puffiness, brightens dark circles, and even diminishes fine lines. Well, I will for sure try that at some point. Next we have a Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. That is super cute. I love texture sprays. I have such fine, thin, limp hair that even before I curl or if I leave it straight before I come up here, and I know you guys are thinking, you put texturizing spray before we see you in the videos? Yes. So imagine how flat and straight my hair is. This Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray, a full size, is $31. We received 0.6 ounces. Full sizes in these are usually about 4 to 6 ounces. This clear finishing hairspray adds volume, texture, and light hold to dry styles for extra oomph. Shake the can vigorously and spray 10 inches from your roots, then tousle. Well, I will definitely use that. Next I have the Lip Creme Matte by Model Co. Wow, this is Model Co.'s month. I have never seen them just out there in a store to be purchased, but they have managed to wiggle themselves into almost every box that we get. I think in our Allure box, we actually had 2 Model Co's, a powder and a liquid eye. All right, this is what this looks like. It is super cute. It's a very nice nude, and it's little, but it's not ridiculously little. This says that it is peachy nude, and a full size is $20. The full coverage neutral peach lip gloss imparts long-lasting color. The creamy formula dries quickly to look rich and have a matte finish. I have this fantastic nude sticks on that came in my Glossy Box, so I'm hesitant to cover it, but what the heck. Yeah, it's so peachy and nude. and it doesn't have any shine. So I imagine we won't be able to see it, but it smells really good. I don't know if it's like subliminal. Peaches, but it smells like peaches to me. Yep, it definitely. If you got this box and you received this product, tell me, is saying peachy nude in my head getting to me? Because this smells like peaches. Last but not least, I have Specific Beauty Intensive Skin Brightening Serum. It's interesting. It has a little odd little barcode on it, blocking me from seeing what it says. It says too intensive. So I bet that they tell you in what order to use their products, but that is what that looks like. Okay, and this says Specific Beauty Intensive Skin Brightening Serum. A full size is $60. We got 0.33 fluid ounces. This concentrated dermatologist formulated serum evens skin, brightens, smooths the look of lines, and calms. Due to the presence of retinol, do not use while pregnant. Well, I cannot use retinol, so I will put this in that giveaway that I am going to have very soon for my 3K giveaway. Thank you guys so much. We will get back to that very soon. Probably this week I will be posting a video about it. So that was this month's Birchbox. Here are a few things. I like this better than any of the boxes that were curated by a long shot. I have products in here that I have seen before, the Air Repair. Actually, this brags about a couple things. It says the Air Repair is a female-founded company, that the Bumble and Bumble is the first time that they've sampled it, that the Model Co. is new to Birchbox, and that it's also the first time they've sampled Specific Beauty. So that's all kind of very interesting to know. I really like the box. A person could still argue about whether it's worth $15 or not, but I am happy with this box. This lip has dried down. It has dried down so much that even though I put it over a very creamy Nude Sticks pencil, it has locked in. My lips are dry. You cannot even begin to feel a little bit of the Nude Stick pencil that I had on beforehand. So I received the shampoo, conditioner, and serum, the Specific Beauty Retinol, which I will put in my giveaway, this cute little Model & Co. lip, the Bumble and Bumble hairspray, the Air Repair eye, and this Lake and Skye 1111 fragrance oil, which I will tell you, this is the whole point for me of why I started doing these boxes. This smells incredible. And I'm going to wear it a few more days, and I will let you guys know how it works out, but I'm probably going to purchase this. Like I started to say, that's why I got into the boxes, to try samples, to find things that I love, and then to be able to purchase them. So this was a successful box for me. Let me know what you guys think below. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm not just saying that. I genuinely appreciate you guys so much. I love talking to you below in the comments. You guys are so supportive. It's just really been a blessing. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys really soon. Bye.